Hello friends, the news has come. Government has said there is no plan to recognize Bitcoin as currency. The government has not received any proposal to recognize Bitcoins as a currency in India, which has been clearly mentioned in the Parliament uh, session which started on Monday, that is on 29th of November. The Reserve Bank of India has also recommended widening the definition of banknote for the launch of central bank digital currency (CBDC). Now, when it was inquired that uh, whether the government is considering any proposal to recognize Bitcoin as currency, the finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman clearly replied that there is no such plan. The statement has come ahead of the introduction of bill to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies while providing certain exceptions to promote the underlying technology and its uses. The proposed legislation planned for the current session of the Parliament will also create a facilitative framework for creation of official digital currency to be issued by RBI. The government has cleared during the last week that to regulate cryptocurrency instead of banning them in India will be main agenda. Bitcoin is the most popular currency globally. Now, presently, the people who are supporting the demand for regulation have also argued that it is very difficult to ban the cryptocurrency. The entire market will move to a darknet if the government moves ahead with the ban. The RBI has also been leading the demand for ban of cryptocurrency because they cannot track the transactions. While replying to the questions, the Junior Minister of Finance, Priyanka Chaudhary, also told the lower house of the parliament that in October the RBI had sent a proposal to the government to amend the law to widen the scope and definition of banknote to include currency in digital form. The RBI has also been examining the use of cases of working out a phased implementation strategy for introduction of central bank digital currency with the little or no disruption. Now, recently, the RBI had opposed the introduction of private cryptocurrency, arguing that it is prone to misuse and has not underlying asset from which it derives its value. And it also fears are there that private digital currency will result in dollarization of the economy and significantly impact its ability to manage money supply, inflation, exchange rate, etc. And however, it is looking to start the work on CBDC, that is central bank digital currency, over the next few months. But here I would like to tell what is the requirement of the CBDC when you got a rupee which is digitally controlled and is as good as a digital currency. It is not required. It is basically all these multinational software companies, they want to lead this world to the anarchy and they want to basically control everything because there's no godfather of the digital currency, and every day we see one or other currency is coming up in the market and it is selling because they are just running a software algorithm to generate the currency, and we ignorant people are just buying it, and one fine day they will just shut down the crypto exchange or rather their server, and it will just take the money and go away. So it is, though it is based on the blockchain network, but then it will be very prone to misuse it, and it may help in you know anarchy in the world, promoting the terrorism, promoting the difference of opinion in the countries, and can also bring down the governments. So this we have to be concerned, and in fact, world should move away from the cryptocurrency. It was good till computer games like Bitcoin was initially used to be given for computer games while playing, and then slowly became the currency. Now, introduction of central bank digital currency has the potential to provide significant benefits, such as reduced dependence on cash, higher ratings due to lower transaction cost, reduced settlement risk. Introduction of central bank digital currency would also possibly lead to more robust, efficient, trusted, regulated, and legally tender this payment opinion. And of course there are also associated risks which need to be carefully evaluated against the potential benefits. Now, as told by me earlier, now we have to be very careful of the cryptocurrency because nobody is actually controlling it. It can bring down the governments. It can create anarchy. It can give rise to the black money. So we have to be very careful with this, friends. I'm finished. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment on my channel. Thank you.